For centuries, we dreamed of something more. We dreamed of minds that think faster, systems that grow stronger, and world without limits. And then, we created it. Not to replace us, but to evolve with us. Meet Axiom, the intersection of human potential and artificial intelligence. We believe AI is not the future. You are the real future. We're just here to help you reach it faster. It's not about man versus machine. It's about man with machine. The future is Axiom. Join us and be the part of the change.